16? 15? Okay.
Okay. I guess ako po, but my favorite po kasi talaga is French vanilla. So, super, super sweet talaga. So,
actually, for me, brewed coffee. Brewed coffee is for me. Siya yung busy ko.
Para sa iba't ibang feelings, may ka-match na iba't ibang flavors ng Siliblends para sa'yo. Made from 100% Arabica beans. Honestly, guys, Siliblends chocolate. Honestly, guys, Siliblends.
hi, good afternoon po.
I never dreamed, 'cause I always thought that dreaming was for kids, just a childish thing. And I could swear love is just a game that children play, and no more than a game. Till I met you, I never knew what love was till I met you. This feeling seems to grow every day. I love you more each day.
Oso ka pa, di ba? Nakita niyo yun? Ipaparap ko lang yung malaking bear na yun. Panalo yan. Nauuwi yan. Kung ako niligawan ako, binigyan ako ng ganyang bear, malaki ang chance na sumagot ako. Madali lang ako kausap. Okay, hindi ako mahirap. Kayo hindi kayo lang po pay attention sa pag-chinichika ko.